Are you ready to move your feet to the beat out in these Dollar Tree streets? You know I'm gonna have you move your feet. Honey, get into the glasses. Fancy. Say it with me. Fancy. Okay? $1.50. Honey, I'm finna slay and not play. Let's go. Honey, have you seen these big pictures? Okay, I mean, I swear a gallon of water could fit in here. This thing is huge. So it says, bring your own sunshine. Honey, $1.25. This is great, especially for like the theme parks. Ooh, child, fancy. And I ain't saying put no liquor in here neither. Honey, do what works for you. So if you love this big gallon cup, okay, Dollar Tree has another one just like this, Sunshine State of Mind. These are really cute. I mean, they are huge. If you're a person you want to start increasing your water intake, this would really, in my opinion, motivate you, because the color and it look fancy mancy. All right, $1.25, looking like Lancy. Peace, family, peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day. Today, we are back at the Dollar Tree in Hackensack. Okay, so let me be honest. This morning, I had got a download after my meditation session for me to go to Hackensack. Actually, I was going to take today off. I have another video that I have to edit and upload. But honey, when the intuition speak, I have to listen. Okay? It will not allow me to go to sleep or do anything other than what it is telling me to do. So I said, you know what? Showered, got ready. I said, we gonna show out today. Okay? So I'm gonna bring you the heat. That's gonna have you move your feet out in these streets. Dina is on the mic. Fabulous MC, to say the least. Now, let's go inside. Okay, so as soon as you walk in, Dollar Tree has their mixed floral bushes over here. These are $3. They also have their vases over here, which are $3 as well. Really fancy. And then they also have some other vases. These are cute. They very thick. These are $3 as well. Okay, so to my lovelies that's out there that do not want to get bitten up, okay, this summer Dollar Tree has the Citronella waist wristbands. I don't know why I be saying waist. Wristbands. These are $1.25. Scent lasts up to 7 days. But they also have the buggy beds, okay. These are 3-pack mosquito repellent band. I don't know why this made me think of bed bugs. Okay. Child friendly, plant-based formula, one size fits all. Really cool. Use on wrist or ankle. If you guys are looking for some summer fun, Dollar Tree definitely has it in a place to be. They have the pinwheels, which are $1.25. They also have these gorgeous, I absolutely love these solar stakes right here. These are $1.25. Those are styling and definitely profiling. They also have these pinwheels over here. Really cool, shaped as a rose. I love these. These are nice. $1.25. Other fun items Dollar Tree has, really cute, like these 2-pot holders. Now, we had seen these begin each day with kindness. I know that's right. Absolutely love this. They also have this one as well. Then they also have the oven mitts. Really cute. You are the bee's knees, the mugs, the bowls, honey, the saucers, the plates. Dollar Tree is in the place. And remember what I said, honey, if you are drinking tea, honey, you drink the tea with your pinky out, okay? Because you're a fancy one, all right? You really fancy. When it comes to this Dollar Tree location, it's a smaller store. They have like a smaller selection. Oh, book for today, How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Really good. Now, they have some amazing items, especially when it comes to the 4th of July, but they don't have a huge selection. Check this out. Okay, so Dollar Tree has these USA glasses over here. Really, really cool. They also have America Land that I love, home of the free because of the brave, $1.25. Any decor that you may be looking for, all right, when it comes to 4th of July theme, honey, Dollar Tree definitely has them. Now, I absolutely love these. These are so cute. Sweet Freedom. Honey, get into it. And Dollar Tree is reminding you, listen, we heard what you said about our kitchen towel. That's why now they are heavier weight, okay? They also have some door banners over here, $1.25. Some glitter star gift boxes. Really, really cool. Some glitter star pigs. Oh, this is fancy. Patriot, you know what I mean, scatter. The gnomes, honey, where there's a Dollar Tree, there's a gnome. They also have this red hat right here. I don't know why when I see this puts me in the mind of Donald Trump saying make America great again. I don't know, for some reason. Okay, they also have some mini hats over here, 4 pieces for $1.25. Some wave fringe curtains, right? $1.25. Really, really cool. Garland foam wands. Yes. 4 pieces for $1.25. And then they also have the mini cups. So my folks that's out there that like taking them shots, 20 pieces, $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also have these tumblers over here. If you don't know, honey, this is my fave, to say the least, okay? They have so many different ones. Boom, bang, pow. Love it. They also have this one as well. These are so cute. The solid colors, absolutely love it. They also have all my stars. Get your sparkle on, okay? And then they also have boom, bang, pow again. Now, ooh, these are really, really, what in the world? Honey, the thing don't even work, honey. Wait, hold on. And I know, what in the world? Honey, they did this one too many darn times. Okay, we found one. Yes, we hit the jackpot. Now, this thing is so cute. I told you guys my youngest daughter, Amani, had purchased one of these a few weeks ago, right? So this is a star bubble fan. It has the fan at the top, the bubbles at the bottom. I think this is so cute for $1.25. 2 different colors it comes in, red and also blue. Still deal. They also have the ice cream set that comes in different colors. Absolutely love this. You get 3 pieces. You get the bowl and the spoons. Really cool. Now, light up glasses, anyone? Because you know you're going to make a statement this year, okay? You're not going to be plain Jane. These are $1.25. Absolutely love these. Then they also have the Patriot ribbons over here, $1.25. Flashing headbands. Okay, all right, because you're going to be going to that park to see those fireworks, and you're going to have a flashing headband. Okay, they also have some chair covers over here. Really cool. These are $1.25. Just in case if you guys didn't know, Dollar Tree definitely has the floating shelves, and I had spoke about this several times. Great for displaying small items, knickknacks, and more. If you go to a hardware store, you definitely isn't going to get a floating shelf, not for $1.25. Now, when you come to Dollar Tree, they have 2 different colors. They have the black and also the white. Absolutely love this. All right, family, let me know what was your favorite item. Now, I know that place was a little drier than a desert, to say the least. Okay, all right. You know what? I know it's a reason my intuition told me to go there. Honey, I'm just trying to figure out the reason. You get what I'm saying? Child. Well, with that being said, I love you guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until next time. Peace.